Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your lawnmower blades, going from this to looking like this. Safety's first. You're going to need some eye or face protection. I'm going to be using this face shield so I can protect my eyes and face from the sparks. Next, you're going to need some pants to also protect you from the sparks. Now to get started, you're going to clamp the blade to a stable foundation to prevent movement. Make sure to start with the top side first. You are also going to need a grinder with the grinding wheel attachment. Once started, you're going to grind the edge flat to get all those divots out. Then you are going to grind it at an angle. Now that you are done with the top, flip the blade over. You're going to grind the bottom of the blade flat. Now that's solid. That's not going anywhere. Don't touch. It's very hot. And bam, just like that, you're finished. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, please like and subscribe. And until next time, Top Lawns out.